Well, WP Guidant comes up with lots of advanced features and benefits for the users. So, as a user, you never be stressed. We are all ready for you to give you more functionality on our plugin. So, today I will show you how to enable guide on pop-up menu for your specific guide on WP Guidant. So let's go to the Guidant dashboard section. This is the Guidant dashboard section, and choose a specific guide to enable the guide on pop-up menu. So this is let's choose this guide for guide on pop-up menu. Just click on the guide settings and design. Well, as you can see, there are options for guide name, guide title, descriptions, and you can add them and edit them for future. So just click on the advanced setting. Well, as you can see, there is option called guide on pop-up. We already enabled this pop-up. Just click on OK. You can easily enable and disable by following this menu. So just click on enable. Well, as you can see, there are multiple options are coming up like pop-up button size, pop-up button padding, pop-up button radius, border radius, and background color, button icon color, and multiple settings. So choose a color for your pop-up button. For example, this is our color, and let's choose the background color of the pop-up button. So this is the background color of the pop-up button, and finally click on the save changes. Okay, there is another thing, which is you have to copy the shortcode of this pop-up and paste it on your desired page. So let's copy it and go to your page, favorite page that you want to put the pop-up guide on pop-up menu. So this is our example page. Let's add the shortcode on this page. Paste the shortcode here and click on update. Yeah, we have done that, and let's see, is that our pop-up menu come up? Yeah, this is our pop-up menu we have added recently. So let's click on it. Yeah, this is the guide pop-up. So you can easily do that. As you can see, this is very easy process. Just within a few clicks you can add this option on your website. So isn't that amazing? Yeah, I think that is really beneficial for you. And stay tuned with us to get more updates about WP Guidance and lots of features and functionalities related videos, and follow our channel. Best of luck.